I believe in really serving others to find true happiness. My name is Cristal Hernandez. I am a real estate professional. I want them to feel like they were in control, first of all. So that's why I like to provide a lot of education as we go along, because I want them to know that every decision that they make was something that they fully understood, thought through, and that goes back to empowering them. This is like a dream, especially coming from immigrant backgrounds. I feel like having somebody have something that they own, that's theirs, like a piece of this land, it brings me a lot of satisfaction. From the military, I feel like I bring just the teamwork aspect, the integrity aspect. You want somebody who is trustworthy, who has a lot of integrity, and who also understands that we're in this together. We'll see the genuine connection. My name is Cristal Hernandez, and I would love to help you find your spot.